Hey, it's Sam. Welcome to Boring Money, where money should be the only boring aspect of your life. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering how you can make money with Amazon. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm talking about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that'll teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So before I begin and tell you about how you can make money with Amazon, I'm going to let you know that by the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a better business model. It can definitely help you build passive income, which is just money that's rolling in while you sleep. Now, who wouldn't want to do that? To make money with Amazon, there's actually a lot of ways, such as hijacking people's listings, Amazon associates, branding your own product doing private labeling, and retail arbitrage. But I'm going to talk about the main way people make the most money, which is branding your own product doing private labeling. So to do this, you're going to need at least $10,000. At least minimum $10,000. So if you don't have at least $10,000 in American money, USD, then maybe you should skip to the second half of the video where I talk about affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is still the cheapest online business you can start. And it's one of the most lucrative ways to actually make a lot of money in a short period of time with certain strategies you follow. Now back to Amazon. So to be successful with Amazon, you need to find a niche. You need to find a niche where you can sell products. And when you do find a niche, whether it's food related or healthcare related or maybe technology related, as long as you have an interest and you have the money to back it up. And in order for you to find the right product to sell on Amazon, you don't really rely on your instincts. What you need to do is research to search for products that already have demand, because you want warm audiences, which are people that are ready to buy, especially when you're first starting selling your first product, right? Cold audiences take too much time and too much money for you to convert, which isn't the reason why you're doing this business. You want to do this business to make money, right? To be in net positive, to actually have a profit. And to do this research, you need to know how and know what tools that can help you to do your research, right? So to do this, all you have to do is just go on Amazon, type in the niche or a certain product that you want to market and sell, and then you'll see a huge list of keywords that drop down. Those are the keywords you need to research. And in this example, I'm using keto coffee because I do keto and I drink a lot of coffee. So the first tool I'm going to talk about that you need for your keyword research is actually called Keywords Everywhere. Now, when I turn it on, you'll see these numbers that are next to the keywords that we just saw, this whole list of keywords. So here you'll see for keto coffee, 74,000 per month. It's actually the amount of people that are actually searching for these two words, keto coffee. That's the keyword term that people search for. And there's 74,000 searches per month. And the number next to that with the dollar sign is 36 cents. This is the amount that people bid, that pay for keyword ads on Amazon. And the one next to it is how competitive it is. And because the range is from 0 to 1, 1 being the most competitive, keto coffee is a very competitive keyword, especially with 74,000 people searching, 74,000 searches per month. Not necessarily people, but just general searches per month. And then you can see these blue bars. This means it's trending. All right, so that's one thing you need to learn how to do is keyword research is a really good skill so that you know what kind of products you can sell. Now, the next tool is called Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout allows you to be able to see how competitive each product is and how many other competitors are in this market. You can also see how many products are being sold that are really similar to the product that you searched. Here you can see the product name, the brand, the price, the monthly sales, daily sales, and then the monthly revenue. Now, don't worry about the net profit because that can be different. We don't know how much money people spent on their advertising, right? But with this tool, you can see all the statistics of the product that you want to sell. So use these two tools, Keywords Everywhere and Jungle Scout, to get the best possible product in your hands that you can sell, that you know are going to sell, because there's going to be demand for it, right? You need to be sure to do your keyword research. Don't choose products by relying on guessing and feeling, or what you think looks cool or what you like, because search engines, they know what you like. And they know they're going to show what you like to you so that you can buy it yourself. All your search engines and ads are tailored to you, to your own profile. So you can't really rely or trust that to choose your next product. You need to take action based on facts and statistics, not hocus pocus magic, right? Since you're just starting, don't rely on trends either. There's a lot of gurus that tell you to follow these trends so that you can make money. Buy this fidget spinner and it'll sell like hotcakes. No, don't do that. Because if you're not part of private Facebook groups or Discord groups that are mainly about doing e-commerce, then chances are you're going to be too late to the game. Do not rely on trends, even if you see on TikTok or anything like that. You're just going to waste time and money on that if you're not part of these groups. And high chances are you're already too late to this trending party, right? Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just promoting someone else's product that already exists and then collecting commissions based on how many sales you can generate. Simple as that. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with 1-star or 2-star reviews. You don't even have to think about receiving reviews from people because you don't rely on reviews, right? All you're just doing is just promoting their product and collecting commission from each sale. Now, affiliate marketing is a very broad term because there's a lot of ways you can do affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing with Amazon, which I do as well, but it's not going to be your main source of income. Because doing Amazon Associates, the max percentage you can get from a product is 10%. The reason why is Amazon Associates is mostly just physical products, and physical products, there's a lot of time that's invested. You're gonna wait for people to get it, and sometimes it's out of stock. You have to change your affiliate, and that's why I do high ticket digital products, because they can be mass produced. There's no manufacturing, there's no shipping, there's no storage fees, things like that. Everything can be produced digitally and delivered instantly, and people can receive them right away through the cloud. There's no shipping. And the best strategy to do high ticket affiliate marketing is actually helping people. That's even better because you're getting paid to help people. And your next question might be, how do you help people with affiliate marketing? Well, you market products that help solve people's problems, right? Whether people want to learn how to play the guitar and to serenade their loved ones, or grow a garden because the prices of vegetables are just skyrocketing right now. Or maybe they want to study for the exam because they want to become a programmer, right? These are the problems that you can help solve that people have. I had a friend that had to cope with dealing with someone that they lost. And frankly, they couldn't really afford seeing therapy because they were so saddened by the loss of their loved one that they couldn't really function in society anymore. And all they did was just stay home all day and just mourn. And what happens when you can't even afford to see a therapist to really help you get out of that rut? There are affordable courses that you can recommend to people like my friend that actually got help from a coach, from a life coach, to become functional in society again, to be able to live, to be able to love and laugh again. It's a really powerful thing that people do nowadays. Thanks to these wonderful people, there's a lot of courses out there that exist. I'm 32 right now, and on a lighter note, a lot of my friends are transitioning different career paths in their 30s, mid-30s. And what they're transitioning to is to do programming. There's a lot of programming courses out there that you can help people learn how to program to get a better job than they have right now. So with affiliate marketing, there's 3 biggest markets that can help people and also generate you income, which is health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the problems that people have constantly. And those are the things that you can help answer. So if you got some value out of this session, please leave a comment down below and let me know. If you want to learn how to start your own online affiliate marketing business, then be sure to click on the link down below, because you're going to learn how to do it the right way. There's a lot of crap out there that you want to stay away from, because they're going to teach you the simplest way as fast as they can, but you're going to generate possibly zero income or even lose money. If you want to learn how to promote things of value, such as information on teaching people how to solve their problems, whether it's making money, whether it's improving themselves, whether it's guitar lessons or learning how to invest in real estate, be sure to click on the link down below, because you're going to get a free 4-day video training series that'll teach you the benefits of affiliate marketing and how you can get started. Imagine being able to provide value to people, to enhance people's qualities of lives, and being able to make money while doing so. It's a really good feeling, because all you're doing is recommending products that will solve people's problems, and on top of that, you're collecting commission by helping people solve their problems with these products. You're gonna learn how to pick and choose the best products to promote. You're gonna learn how to build an email list for yourself and learn how to recommend even more products that will help other people. So with that said, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.